How much does it cost to install hardwood floors? I wish I could just give you a number like 3.14159 or 42. Unfortunately, that's just not possible. Just like in our carpet cost video, you will find that there are many variables to consider. You may think less is cheaper, and that's true in absolute terms, but there's a reason I buy in bulk. Try to install in multiple rooms at once to save on costs down the road. Pine or oak, like this wood here, is generally a softer hardwood, so it requires less equipment and labor to install. Just know, it might be a little more vulnerable to dents and scuffs down the road. If you're renovating a large open area, you'll save money by having fewer trims and transitions per square foot. Too bad I'll be adding hardwood to a bunch of small bedrooms with multiple closets and extra corners. If you're looking to cut down on costs significantly, here's another option. Consider wood look alternatives like laminate and luxury vinyl. They're great performing products that look more like their wood counterparts than ever before, and they come in at a fraction of the price. At the end of the day, there's no need to stress. Your local showroom will help make your weighty wood and tough timber choices easier than ever. Regardless of your budget, there's a great performing product for you that will last for years down the road. Now that that's squared away, I gotta do something about all these paper towels. So worth it.